Have you ever experienced a strange reaction to something you've eaten or touched? It could be your immune system at work, and it's more dangerous than you think. Your immune system is like an army, ready to defend your body against harmful invaders like viruses and bacteria. But sometimes it can go into overdrive and attack healthy cells, leading to autoimmune disorders like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. Your immune system can also overreact to harmless substances like pollen or peanuts, leading to allergic reactions. So, how can you keep your immune system in balance? Eating a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, getting enough sleep, and managing stress can all help. And if you have an autoimmune disorder or allergies, working with a healthcare professional can help you manage your symptoms. They may recommend medications, immunotherapy, or lifestyle changes to improve your overall health. It's important to recognize the potential harm your immune system can cause and take steps to keep it in check. To learn more about health and wellness, check out the description box below for